This is a product review for the Klass two-handle multi-purpose laundry basket. Now this is one of those ones that's foldable. I live in a flat and space is such an important thing. This is so useful to be able to just fold it away in those little slots. And I'll show you now what it looks like folded out. It's very easy to do. Pops out like that. There you go, as you can see. So I'll give you a little closer look of everything. It's a nice little basket. It's quite a good size as well. Like I'll put this big dressing gown in there and you've still got loads of space left. So really, really handy, really convenient. This one's great. There's multiple colors as well. And all you do is you just fold it back up. You can see that there. Oof. Oh, I haven't done it properly there, look. There you go. Nice and easy. Happens in seconds. Right, it's quite a solid piece of kit. This one is 58 litres. And the handles I've got like kind of rubberized. So I'll just show you there, look. Kind of rubberized. And yeah, it's pretty good. I think it's going to last a while. And do you know what? For the price paid, I'm very happy with this product. So yeah, I recommend it.